Let's learn bird names.
This is a parrot. Parrot says squawk. This is a peacock. Peacock says meow. This is a sparrow. Sparrow says chirp, chirp. This is a crow. Crow says caw, caw. This is a pigeon. Pigeon says quack. This is a duck. Duck says quack, quack. This is a hen. Hen says cluck, cluck. This is a rooster. Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. This is an owl. Owl says hoot, hoot. This is an eagle. Eagle says shh. This is a flamingo. Flamingo says low honk or murmur. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher says short chitter or peep. This is a woodpecker. Woodpecker says tap, tap, tap. This is a penguin. Penguin says bray or squawk. This is a swan. Swan says gentle. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.